Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the 4-hour time frame chart of gold. Now gold is in upward trend and now it is expected that after retesting this level is going upward. It has retested 1969 and this is the head and it has two shoulders. Now let me show you. These are the shoulders in the 4-hour time frame. And exactly it has come and previously it was also a support here. Now let me show you a bit in detail that this was previously a support. Here it was also worked as support and now it is also as working as support. But for the retesting purpose, the gold made this head. Now let me show you. And if you have watched my previous analysis of gold, that previously gold retested. First of all, this was the retest 1934-35, and the second retest was here at 1944. Third retest was here as 1949. After these retests, gold all the went up to this level. Before going to this level came to support, retest this support. And from here, now gold needed somewhere downward a retest. Because when the buyers are buying something on a high price, they need to compensate to buy on the low price also. That is the retest. So the strong buyers and the sellers, there are strong buyers and strong sellers. At the time, the when the buyers think that they need to buy on low prices, they leave. They don't uh, buy with that strength. So they allow the market to come to downward, then start buying. So this is the high setup for taking buy in the gold. Now what are this is the 4-hour time frame. Now let us watch the other time frames also. This is the daily time frame. Watch here how the gold market is doing here in after last how many days? One, two, three, four, five. This is the fifth day. In this setup has been made in fifth 5 days. After the high, the one day it came downward, and for going upward, I think so. I don't know what will happen because this is just an analysis. It has taken 5 days to make the setup to go upward. On the weekly time frame, watch here what this level is. This is the weekly support, a strong level. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame for putting the. Now we don't need to put. Let me remove all these. We don't need to. We just can put the stop loss under this. Now let me put the long position here. This is the long position from here. It has gone a bit. It was the no it because the market is now to this level. Then this is the stop loss under under this wick, this head. Now let us move to the daily time frame for take profit options. Now on the daily time frame, we have made take profit options. Now let us now I am putting the horizontal lines for take profits. If we enter here, then we have the take profit here, and below this we have also take profit option. Now let me adjust it somewhere here. We have take profit. There are many take profit options. I think that the gold will now go upward and break the previous high. So I don't think that it is enough to have the take profit options at this level, because the gold has one quality. When it breaks the previous high, it goes too high. So if the gold is expected to break this level, what level is this? Now let me show you on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, there are many options between these levels. We have take profit options also. Now let me put horizontal lines between these lines. Here are also the take profit options. Here is also a take profit option. These are all take profit options. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.